Work-life balance of Ternate Central Elementary School teachers in the new normal. The COVID-19 epidemic has presented additional difficulties for educators. It has impacted everyone's mental and psychological health and well-being, particularly that of the teachers. This study was conducted to assess the work-life balance practices of TCES teachers, keeping in mind the importance of quality of work-life balance among teachers in the different educational institutions. An idea was conceptualized to study status of the quality of work-life balance among DepEd Ternate Central Elementary School teachers, as this is the high point in research when individuals should be acquainted with a teamwork-life balance to gain knowledge of productive and balanced attitude towards their all spheres of existence. Employee commitment, work satisfaction, and organization productivity are all influenced by work-life balance, according to Lessery and Margareta 2021. Hasibuan 2016 tells that an employee has a positive emotional attitude and enjoys his work. Furthermore, work-life balance is a wide term that entails establishing the appropriate priorities between work, life, and happiness, according to Singh and Khanna 2011 in Pandiangan 2018. Respondents of the study, Ternate Central Elementary School personnel, for the data collection, the online link containing the consent form and validated instrument adopted from Joy and Arul 2016 will be sent to the identified respondents. The personnel respondents will be informed of the objectives of the studies, the researchers' basic information, time to be spent in answering, possible benefits and risks, data security measures, and the provisions of the Data Privacy Act of 2012. The choice to withdraw anytime from participating in the study will be given as an option to the respondents. Quantitative method was employed by using the data result of the survey on the level of work-life balance practices of TCES teachers. For the ethical issues, the researchers adhere to the highest ethical standards and uphold ethical principles in the research implementation, procedures, and activities in order to protect the respondents. Plan for data analysis. This study utilized a quantitative research design that was used as a basis for the intervention program that will affect the work-life balance of Ternate Central Elementary School teachers. Frequent count and percentage were used in analyzing the demographic profile of the respondents. The results, TCES teachers perceive work-life balance practices to a very large extent in terms of individual and to a very small extent in terms of institution. The study involved 27 teachers. Table 1 shows the results in frequency and percentage along with their social demographic profile. The majority of the participants were female, 93.3%, married, 85.2%, between the ages of 36 and 40, 25.9%, and teacher 3, 37%. Work-life balance practices in terms of individual with an overall mean of 3.27 and an SD of 0.73 with a verbal interpretation of to a very large extent. Work-life balance practices in terms of institution with an overall mean of 1.71 and an SD of 0.98 with a verbal interpretation of to a very small extent. The implications of this study are significant in maintaining the work-life balance of teachers, especially in time of pandemic. Maintaining work-life balance helps to reduce stress and helps prevent burnout in the workplace. Chronic stress is one of the most common health issues in the workplace. It can lead to physical consequences such as hypertension, digestive troubles, chronic aches and pains, and the heart problems. Having a stress-free workplace can contribute to the happiness and contentment of the teachers, thus resulting to a better performance at work. Overall, it can be concluded that Ternate Central Elementary School teachers practice work-life balance to a very small extent. Recommendations. Considering the findings and conclusion obtained in the study, the following recommendations were made. Proper work schedule should be established. Strategic staffing should be considered. Develop and maintain working environment where workers are consulted and can provide feedback on changes impacting on their job tasks. Conduct various exercises such as Zumba to keep your staff members physically healthy. Divide up the work at school and don't give the teachers projects that aren't a good fit for their skills and qualities. To avoid misunderstandings and conflicts among employees, practice giving and receiving feedback. Establish support network for individuals with personal issues at the workplace. And these are our references. Thank you.